On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don put body for sickle cell patient welfare as e salute eHealth Africa for their donation of testing kits. On top 2019 World Sickle Cell Day, Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don tok say im ready gidigba to dey take care of sickle cell patients as im salute eHealth Africa for the donation wey dem do as dem give rapid diagnostic kits wey dey detect sickle cell genotype for the state. Governor Obaseki tok dis one for the 2019 World Sickle Cell Day, the one wey shele for Sickle Cell Center for Benin City, Edo State. E tok say sickle cell anemia na wetin dem fit control and dem fit cure am if people dey take dis test and dem sabi their genotype before dem marry and when dem born children. Obaseki tok say Edo State government get sickle cell patients dem for mind and dem go continue to dey join hand with development partners to help the center. E tok say dem don restructure sickle cell center last year and dem put money for ground make dem take improve the things within the center.
This unique and exemplary donation to Edo State government. Like you said, sickle cell is an anemia or disease that can be drastically reduced, if not eliminated, by just simple tests, particularly premarital tests and tests for newborn babies. And we're going to seek advice and make sure that we as government do what we need to do. We need to create the legal framework for it. We will be advised on what to do. But I want to use this opportunity to thank you and our partners for the interest you have taken in supporting us. For us as a government, this is one area we've been concerned about. Last year, I showed that the whole center was restructured and that some funding should be made available to improve the physical environment of the facilities. Once again, I want to thank you very much and to assure everybody, particularly the patients, that your government will not leave you alone. We know how painful it is, we know how anemia is. We will not leave you. We will do all we can to support you.
Program Manager Health Delivery System eHealth Africa, Muhammad Azan, he tok say the rapid diagnostic kits wey dem donate give the center go help dem know about 1 million people genotype for the state. He explain say the organization dey partner with Edo State government to take carry test kits across the state and dem call on all the sickle cell patients, the one wey dey Edo State, make dem register for the health insurance scheme.
Test kits focusing on children, and eHealth Africa also donated 50, so we have 100 kits in here that were donated to Edo State. Now this is in line with a bigger project that will be soon coming on board with a development partner, and we are looking at Edo State to be the first pilot state, mainly because Edo State is one of the only states that have a sickle cell center dedicated for sickle cell patients, and that's why Edo State was selected.
Now here we see the better information reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Obaseki don throway body put for the welfare of sickle cell patients with the Edo State. Make una no forget say this ogbonge informate so na T Live Media na im bring am come for una. My name na Nimat Shagumo.